it's Shannon and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be packing my hospital bag. As of today I'm 36 weeks pregnant, and by the time you guys see this video it'll actually be my due date, the day it goes live. Pregnancy hormones and hot flushes are not the one. So yeah, when this video actually goes live I might even have had the baby already, which is absolutely crazy to me. So I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to go ahead and get straight into packing my hospital bag. So guys, these are my hospital bag options, and I just want to talk you through them before you think that I'm taking everything here. I'm most definitely not. I just want to quickly give you a rundown of everything. If anyone wants to know where these bags are from, the 3 bags here are from Loxton, and although I am a brand ambassador for Loxton, this is not sponsored in any way, shape or form. These 2 I actually bought myself, and this one I bought before I was a Loxton ambassador. So that just goes to show you how much I love the brand. And the baby pouch here is from a company called elle, which is stunning, and I will link it down below. So I think my biggest dilemma is deciding whether I want to take this bag or this bag, because I'm only going to choose one, and then I'm going to use the small cabin case because this is not the size of a normal suitcase. Hopefully you can see with my hand that it's actually quite small. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put my hospital notes and my red book for the baby in here as well. I really like this bag. It's actually a different colour from the suitcase, it doesn't match. But I think I want to go for this one just because I've had this the longest. It's got like a sentimental value to me. And it's also my weekend away bag for holidays as well, so it's got good memories. So I think the plan is I'm going to be taking this case, this bag and the pouch. I've put everything I might need already in the bags and the cases, just so when I go through it it's all in one place ready to organise and sort. I'm also going to put my Loxton discount code on the screen for you now, and it will get you 15% off, or I will link my link in the description box. So yeah, these are my hospital bags. How exciting. I'm super nervous, super excited, and this is feeling very real. So without further ado, let's get packing. So I just thought before we started packing I could show you my hospital bag list, so you can basically just get a rough idea of everything that I'm going to be bringing with me, and hopefully you can get some inspo as well. First on my list is what I'm going to be taking for the baby. So I've got the first outfit, newborn bodysuits, and I've just put like the number of how many, newborn outfits, tiny baby, coming home outfit, and her coat as well in case it's cold when we leave the hospital, and some scratch mitts and hats, all her accessories. And in accessories you can just see that I'm going to have a name announcement sign, the she's here plaque, and the little teddy for her, and her personalised taggies as well. And in essentials I've got the dummies, dummy clips, and I've also got an ink footprint kit, which I'm really excited to try because I've never managed to do that with Mila and Cody. Muslins, blankets, nappies in the first size, 2 packs of water wipes, and some feeding essentials because I'm going to be bottle feeding, so I've got some Aptamil as well, and some hand sanitizer for visitors. And I'm also going to pack my towel in her case just so I've got more room in my bag. And then all my essentials, so toiletries, you know, toothbrush, roll-on, shampoo, conditioner, moisturiser, some comfy bras, something to wear in labour, my phone charger, any essentials, you know, medication. And then down here I've just got a mini list for stuff that needs to go into my handbag, like my hospital notes, camera charger, camera batteries. I've also got them a gift as well, so thank you card and my box of chocolates that I've got for them will be coming with me as well. Anything here that doesn't fit in my handbag Scott will be bringing, including my snacks as well, just because I don't want to run out of room, and I do have quite a few dietary requirements. So I am going to have to bring food and snacks, not just snacks. And then obviously there's the things like the car seat and everything that will also be coming with me. So yeah, this is my hospital bag list. If anyone wants me to put this on my Instagram highlights, please let me know. But yeah, obviously tailor this to you and your baby and your family. Don't just go off what I'm bringing. So now I've finished showing you my hospital list, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've got, and then we'll put everything into piles, and then we will start packing. So I just quickly wanted to show you my organisers for my hospital bag and the baby's stuff as well. I do have quite a few of these, and some are custom, but I've just got a couple out to show you. These are from a brand called Honey Lane, and you can get these on Etsy as well. Now I'm going to be showing you what is going in the baby's case, and then we will pack mine later on in today's video. So I've just organised about half of my stuff for the baby into sections. I didn't want to overwhelm myself, even though I'm not going to lie, I do feel pretty overwhelmed right now. Just with the whole concept of having another baby and packing, but I am really grateful. So if anyone else is watching this and packing their bag with me, I do completely sympathise because there's so many different emotions going through my head right now. Like, this is probably my last baby, I'm never going to get to do this again, I've got to give birth. Hopefully if you're pregnant and you're watching this, you can completely relate and I'm not alone. And if you can relate, I'm sending you a massive hug. As you can see, I'm looking very, very pregnant now. So I'll try my absolute best to film this. So, as I showed you in the previous clip, I've got the organisers. So I'm just going to basically talk to you about each section. Over here, we've got her bodysuits, and these are just in newborn. But I do also have some tiny baby as well. And if we do run out or the size doesn't fit, Scott can pick some up for me, so that's absolutely fine. And then down here I've got some water wipes for her, basically just because I struggle with my skin and these are a lot more gentle. So just in case she does, I've got the water wipes as well. And I'm going to be taking 2 packs of these, but like I said, we can bring more if we need them. And then down here I've got about 10 nappies here. We probably will run out of these pretty fast, but I don't know how long I'm actually going to be in hospital for. When we go home, I don't know if I'm going to need a bottle in the car, so I've fetched a bottle that can be sterilised at hospital. I really highly doubt we're going to need these, but I'm just bringing them just in case. And I've also got 2 pre-made Aptimils as well. My hospital does very kindly provide the ready-made formula for you. This is literally just for in the car. I'll probably only need 1 bottle, but I'm going to bring 2 just because I know they can't be used after they've been open so long. And then down here I've got some tiny baby bodysuits just in case she is small. I have had a few growth scans now and each time she's either measuring small or on track, so this literally could go either way. So just to be on the safe side, I've got 3 tiny baby bodysuits and I've got 1 for her first outfit as well. And then here I've just got a couple of her vests. I do have a lot more vests that's going to be packed, but I just thought I'd show you a couple. And then up here we have got her first outfit that I'm going to be putting in the top of the case, just because I don't have an organiser for it. And I also think this will be easier access as well to get to when she's here. And I've also got a blanket with her name on that I'm not going to be showing you just yet. And then under here I've got another vest for her and a hat and scratch mitts and a little nappy. Basically just so no one needs to rummage around my case the minute I've had her. I'm also going to be popping my towel in here as well. And I just want to quickly go through the other organisers with you all, just so you can kind of get a rough idea of what I'm going to be taking. So I've got an organiser for baby outfit sets, hats and mittens, blankets, her going home outfit as well, baby accessories, muslins and baby essentials. I've also got organisers for everything you've just seen laid out here in front of me. So what I'm going to do now is start packing the organisers and then we will pack the case.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
So now the baby's case is packed, I'm going to go ahead and make a quick drink, and then I will show you all what I'm going to be packing in my bag.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go.
I've got a drink, I feel like I can chill out a little bit. These are my hospital bag organisers that I'm going to be taking. This is just a couple to show you once again. We've got electricals and chargers, bras, toiletries. I've got some more that say things like Shannan's Essentials, pads, nighties, underwear, and I do have one for snacks as well, but my snacks are actually going to be going in Scott's bag. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead now and show you what I'm going to be putting in my organisers, and then we will pack my hospital bag. Basically, I've done what I've done with the baby stuff. I've put everything into sections because I thought that would make it easier, and this is about half the things that I'm going to be taking. I just went ahead and bought a toothbrush from Asda just to pack, just so I didn't accidentally forget mine if I was rushing. I've also got a pack of cotton balls here as well, and I've got some cotton buds, and I also have some nipple pads as well down here. And I've also got the FemFresh wipes, basically just for after birth. I'm not gonna lie, when I started a YouTube channel, I did not think I would be talking about FemFresh and nipple pads, but here we are. And I've never used one of these before. Considering it's my third baby, you'd think I would have, but I believe this is like I think it's called a peri bottle, but I could be wrong, and it basically just sprays you down there, so you're nice and clean and you don't get that awful burning sensation. Bit of ASMR. So this is going to be coming with me, and fingers crossed it does the job. I've also got my slippers here as well, and then right up here I've got a nightie and some pyjamas, and I've got some more to go in my bag too. Down here I've got a pillowcase just to put over the hospital one because of my skin, my wild deodorant, a jade roller, the little skincare tool, my moisturiser, claw clip, and a spare bobble. I'll probably pack a couple of these just in case I lose them. And then over here I've got some travel bottles off Amazon, and I've also got a label maker. My plan for these is to get the label maker out and print shampoo, conditioner and body wash and fill them up, so I'm going to be doing that as well. I'll probably not show you me filling them up just because it's going to be a messy process, I can already tell. And over here we've got my lounge bras. These are just comfy bras, and I've got some socks, a top and some ribbed leggings. And then here we've just got my Tote Savvy organiser, and I'm just going to be putting things like my roll-on and skincare tools in here. And like I said, this isn't everything that I'm going to be taking, but you will see me pack the organisers in just a second anyway. Yeah, let's go ahead and pack my hospital bag. See you all in just a sec.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations, oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost, no, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever.
So guys, I've just finished packing everything, as you will have just seen. I've packed my hospital bag, my red notes, and a present and a card for the midwives, as well as a little thank you. Now we've finished my hospital bag. This concludes today's video, and I will see you all in the outro. So guys, that's going to go ahead and conclude packing my hospital bags with me. And I just want to say a massive thank you so much for watching today's video. We've also just hit 3,000 subscribers as well, which is mind-blowing. So a massive thank you for that too. I'm so grateful, and I genuinely appreciate it so much. And just before I go, I want to give you a little 36-week bump clip, just because this is the last time that you're going to see my bump, and it's probably the last time I'm ever going to be pregnant. So that was my little bump, and the next time I will see you all, I will hopefully have my gorgeous, happy, healthy baby girl in my arms. But yeah, until next time guys, bye, love you.